It's very important that you don't break this. Stop overpaying for windshield wipers and do it yourself in a couple of minutes. Normally, repair shops and dealerships will just overcharge you like crazy on the price, so buy yourself a really nice set. I've got the Rain-X windshield wipers here. You're going to go ahead and lift the wiper arm, and some companies have a little bit different. As you can see, I was learning for the first time and actually broke the wiper off the bracket, but what's really important right there, what I have circled, that's the wiper arm. Make sure that does not smack into the windshield. It's spring loaded. It most likely will crack your windshield. So right now what I'm doing is I'm getting the new bracket ready for the Rain-X wiper. It's the first time I've installed wipers like these. I'm used to just a normal slip-on, hook-on stuff. And now that I've got that figured out, I'm going to go ahead and open that safety tab here. As you'll see in a moment, opening up that safety tab, and all you got to do is just slide it right into the hook and pull it all the way up till you hear a click. I tried closing it too early there. That was the click. Snap it in place, and that's just a protective yellow piece of plastic. Bang! Your driver's side windshield wiper is done. We're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on the passenger side. So again, we're going to go ahead and pick it up, being very aware of the wiper arm. This time I actually opened up the bracket, as you can see right here. Sure, I forgot to do it in the beginning, but hey, this is a real life video. And I'm just going to go ahead and push it down, nice and easy, didn't break anything. We're going to go ahead and take the passenger side one, pop open that bracket, and do the exact same thing. I do want to keep in mind for everybody that the driver's side and passenger side typically are different sizes. So make sure you research how many inches the length of your windshield wipers are, and I'll tell you why that's extremely important in the next part of the video where I show you the replacement of the rear wiper. So we're going to go ahead, pull it all the way in, hear that click. Hold on a second there. Boom, there he is. Remove that piece of plastic and we are good to go. Now let's go ahead and hop over to the rear. In the rear, this is a little bit different. It was kind of, so it got stuck there, and I found that the previous owner put a longer wiper on the rear, and it actually kind of scratched up the paint. Now this car is 21 years old, so I don't really care, but just something to take note of. This particular wiper had a clip instead of that bracket, so you have to push down on the clip and it pops right out. Gonna go ahead and put the new correct size wiper right on here, just figuring out the orientation there. Had to push that center clip inside as you see, and just gonna go ahead and find out the correct angle without breaking anything, because of course everything's made of plastic nowadays. Pull it in, hear that click, and we're good to go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and test this right here, and it works perfectly. And that's it. Save yourself a bunch of money, have a good time, replace your wipers today.